Hi there, this is Sujit Porter, and in this very video we are dealing with a simple plot using Matplotlib in Python. So let's start from the installation of the Matplotlib, and after that we'll be drawing some basic um, graphs into the Matplotlib using Python. Okay, first of all I'll show you how to install the Matplotlib. So you need to type pip3 for your Python 3 version, and you need to type install, and after that you need to type matplotlib as it is, and you need to press enter after that. So since my matplotlib was already installed, so it is giving the message that requirement already installed, so I do not have to worry about that. So you can download and install in that way, and after that you need to open if you are using the Jupyter notebook, you need to open that notebook and begin using the Matplotlib. So uh, in my case I'm using the Jupyter notebook, so I have already opened here, and I'll be using the Matplotlib for plotting the simple graph. So let's begin. First of all, let's import the Matplotlib. Matplotlib dot pyplot. Yeah, okay. This pyplot is very much used function of the Matplotlib package, so I cannot remember not using the pyplot of the Matplotlib package. So I believe uh, for every time we need to import the same function of the package. So we can import it as plt, or you can type any name you like there. So after that press enter, and we can use the same class and call a function like that is plot. So you can give x variable and y variable for plotting. So since x and y are not defined so far, I'm going to replace them with the values. So let's say 1 comma 2 comma 3, and let's say for y, let's say 4 comma 8 comma 1. Okay, let's say -1. So you have already created the plot from this line. So after that we need to show the plot in the output. For that we need to write another line, plt dot show. So this show function will just give you the output that you had provided the plot. So it will be plotting the same plot here. So after that you need to press shift and enter simultaneously. So here we go, you have got the plot. For x is equals to 1 we have 4, and for x is equals to 2 we have 8, and for x as 3 we have -1. So we have got what we wanted. So I believe we can also replace the variables like this way. Yeah, let's create a list using x variable, and let's create other list using y. So we are replacing the values using the variables here. So let's press shift enter. So we are having the same plot again. So let's say we want to plot the square of the x so we can just give the x square. So what is the error there? Okay, let's add the values. Then can only concatenate list, not int to list. Okay, let's define here as x plus 2 and give y. So it's again throwing the same output. Let's turn it in int mode. I don't know what is happening here. It is giving the same error. Okay. Okay. I do not know about that. I'm also a learner. So I'll be learning the same thing, and we'll be doing another video. So I'm hopeful that you'll watch the next video and learn something new, which I was about to say to you. So okay, that's it. So thanks for watching.